they put these in with star bits. I need a star bit. What is it? What the fuck is that on top? It's not working here. They're too hard. I need a different bit. Shit, I might not have the right. Oh, maybe this one. Nope. I might not have the right bit for this. Oh, this one. Shit.
It looks like there's just a ton of candles here.
Oh, it was a party.
Could be saved. But, and then there's a bunch of condiments and stuff that I wanted to make sure that made it back in there. But they kind of just,
Wow.
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. It looks like there's some that are totally fine.
Yeah.
But I wanted to make sure this was it before I started on anything.
Thank you.
Yeah, of course. I'm going to grab a broom to get the stuff off the ground.
I get some gloves and this trash bag. Why? It takes a really long time to get anything done. Because I plan to do something and then I end up doing other shit. Thank you.
Of course. That's not your fault.
I don't even.
You know, people, they pick up the tables and they just do what they can with what they got. I understand.
Yeah. I don't. Shit, this is unacceptable. Well, like, after you finish your feast, like, clean up.
Yeah.
You know?
These ones are all sealed still. So
They were expired, but the one I just
Are
put
they?
in here. Not all of them. The one
this
I
one,
just put in.
okay, this one's 2023. And this one is also 2023.
Okay, cool.
This one is 2022. These are awesome.
Thank you.
You want to just toss these on the floor? I'm going to just sweep them up and toss them in the garbage.
Well, I had all disregarded. I'm also like funny about like if they touched all over.
Yeah.
I don't know.
That's alright.
I'm gonna be careful. Thank you so much. Of course. This is my sister, by the way.
Hi,
We're
sister.
Keisha. We're shooting her YouTube channel.
I'm going to be on your YouTube channel? Oh my god! Oh my god, I'm going to be Insta famous.
Right? YouTube. Thank you for your help, though. Seriously.
Here, take that to the trash and go that way.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Of course.
Happy Monday.
Happy Monday. Thanks.
Okay. Now I can get back to what I was actually doing. I need to get my tools and stuff again. I put them away because obviously I didn't want no one to steal it. I was over there. Let's try this again. This location always gets lots of cans. Why am I doing this? I don't have time for this. I need to finish this. If someone else can do that on their wellness check. Yeah, so no one does any of these things except me and Maggie, and now we just started. Some people on our build team in the Slack channel, so when stuff comes up, people can say, hey, this happened at our location, can anybody come and fix this? And somebody who is comfortable doing repairs and stuff can do it, but it's so dirty. I can't put this up like this. It's really disgusting. Yeah, people are staring at me with someone following me with a camera, but I also already felt like people were staring at me since, you know, this project, not always. So. I'm not a lefty, so I always struggle when I have to do it with my left hand. I mean, I am a lefty, but not with tools. Okay, signs back up. Well, what I actually came for. Too big. Got it. Okay, so now I need to look at the picture they sent me of how they want their boxes placed. Fridge managers, I was asking them. Because they didn't like how the boxes were placed. I didn't either, honestly. 9 inches from the front. We're gonna eyeball this, Jen. I'm not doing it exactly. And then the yellow box back here. I don't know if that yellow box is gonna fit back there. Let's see. For period packs and stuff. Just fits. Actually, I'm gonna put them closer because I don't even want a little space in between. I just feel like stuff will get stuck. What should I do for this project? Got them. Okay, done. I don't have any period kits on me, so that's open. Gross. So pull this out.
You can get some period packs in the bin above you.
Oh. Sure are, sister. You're so smart. I forgot they put this up where it hasn't been stolen yet. I'll reorganize that later. Pocket tissues. Woo, shit. Oh, damn. Full of food. And I'm happy to move that stuff over. I don't know who's doing that. Oh my god. That's no contact. Hi, how you doing? Good morning. Hi.
How y'all doing?
Good.
Y'all out here partying yesterday?
Well, we missed the party.
No, it was a big one.
Yeah, I heard. I can see that.
It was. Thank you so much, ladies.
Toothpaste, you good?
Yeah, I am.
Too late, right?
Thank you.
Good morning.
Thank you.
Want some toilet paper?
Oh, yeah, I said so.
Let me get you more.
I got me. I'll get you pushed down.
Thank you, appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Thank y'all so much, ladies.
You're welcome. See you later.
Yes, ma'am.
Why? I met them, the couple, when I was doing the bread giveaways. They came up and they had some stuff that they didn't use or didn't want to use, and so they shared it. So they put some stuff in, and then they got some stuff, and I was telling them they can always come and get some stuff, so they always come back and get food and stuff. They're really nice. What are you doing here?
No one else took it.
Huh?
No one else took wellness trip.
Right? Daisy's one of the fridge managers for Tamir and Elijah.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah. Yeah, I was just saying, I was like, how come I haven't seen pictures of Tamir and Elijah yet? Let me.
It's me.
Aw, thank you for doing that. One of the ladies stopped me as we were walking in, and she wanted toothpaste and stuff, so I went back to grab it. So I'm just coming out here now. I got some toothpaste and some good wipes. What'd you forget?
I'm trying to don't kind of pass.
Oh.
I'm trying to see.
You need a bag?
Yeah. Hey, guys, how you been doing? All right.
I love that doll. Know her by, let's know her by name.
She asked me my name, so I told my name.
I love that.
And then I remember her name.
Yeah.
That's all we're doing.
Yeah.
Okay,
Here's the shit I'm talking about. Why is Daisy doing a wellness trip? She's the first one. There's 700 people in this life now. Cory's spotting. Thank you. Push it through there. I'll get it when I come back around.